What's going on, guys? So in today's video we're going to be going over what it's like to live with 2% window tint. Alright, so do you get pulled over passing the sheriff with 2% window tint? In this case, no. If you saw the previous video where I installed the window tint, it got a lot of views, and so a lot of questions about what it's like. Because, you know, typically, unless you're on Instagram trying to flex that you have 5 layers of 5%, most people don't go 2%. It's usually 5% or lighter. And so a lot of questions asking what it's like to live with. So today, I'm gonna try to break it down for y'all. So if I'm being honest, whenever you roll the windows up and it's a bright day like today, it almost messes with your eyes because you've got so much sunlight coming through here. All I've got is the brow up front. I don't have anything on the whole windshield. So it's so bright coming through here and it is so dark behind me. It almost gives your eyes it kind of strains them a little bit. Roll the windows down. The tint really does change whenever you have different windows down or up. So when it's up, your eyes kind of adjust to be able to see through it a little bit better. Because like right now with these windows down, I really cannot even see through the back. If I'm looking through my rear view, I can see most stuff, but it's very difficult, I won't lie. So everything is a very, very dark shade. And it's a super bright day today, so this is like as bright as you would ever see something, and so it's not ideal. And then if I look over, I mean, like that quarter window, it's almost useless. I barely can see through it. If you have any weird turns in the road where you have to come up to a stop sign, I usually have to turn pretty sharp. That way I can look out the window with it down, just to be as safe as possible, ensure that I'm not going to pull out in front of anybody. So when you have the windows up, your eyes do try to adjust to the darkness. It's kind of like a camera. You'll see people post, they'll have the window cracked down to here. They'll have a picture of like the sky. You can see the sky very clear, and then the tint's completely black. You can't see through anything. Well, that's just the camera adjusting to the sky. If you focus it on the tint, it would look straight through the tint. Same thing with this, but it's still insanely dark. And probably the worst part about it is, like on a sunny day today, it gives off very bad reflections. So like if I look at my side mirror right at this exact time, all I see is my air vent. The air vent on the dash, all I see that is in the mirror, or all I see in the mirror is that air vent, because it is reflecting the image on there so strongly. All right, so I'm gonna get the GoPro down. We're gonna check out a couple different angles right here in the daylight, see exactly what I see, and hopefully the GoPro will pick it up pretty accurate to what I actually see with my eyes. So as you can see, extremely dark. You can see, but right there you can already see the reflections going wild. So definitely bad reflections, and it is very dark. So let's roll these up. Wow, I can see better on camera. See, it gets a little sketchy. Like I said, this is the pinnacle of being able to see through because it is extremely bright today, but that's basically what you're working with right there. It is dark. It is very, very dark. Let's see if you can. Yeah, see, I don't even think y'all can probably see through the rear view very much. It's crazy at nighttime. You literally, cars will creep up on me even with headlights on, and I won't notice them until like the split second. Even during the day, because you just don't notice them because you have to really look over here and look to see stuff. It's very easy to overlook things, and then next thing you know, you got a car sitting on your bumper. If you think it's bad during the day, forget about it during night. You might as well just roll your windows down immediately, but we'll jump to that here in a second. Actually, let's go ahead and jump to that, and then we will get my final thoughts and opinions on the tint. Step 1, reverse. Oh, I wonder what it looks like outside. Oh, okay. Cool. Okay, let's roll that up before the rain gets us. Alright. Oh, got my antenna. Huh. Where am I going? I sure would love to know how close I am. Oh. I'm I'm really close. Huh. How close now? Exceptionally close. Is there anyone behind me? You tell me. It's already dark enough, much less with the humidity on the windshield or condensation. Who knows? Let's see if we can see this store. Barely. And as you can tell, that piece is messed up. Most people know, but if you're new, they sent me a bad piece. I got to redo it. They sent me another one. Did you see it? There was a popo sitting over there. You didn't see it though. Let's see if I can show him to y'all. Alright, so here's a prime example of having to look back through the tent to see if anyone's coming. So as you can see, yikes, not that fun. Let's hear some exhaust though real quick. So obviously, as you can see, you know, pulling it out of a dark area, the tent is horrible. I'm gonna be completely honest in this video, just straight up with y'all.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
You can see through, you just have to be careful. Alright, so what is my opinion on the 2%? Should you do it? Have I enjoyed it? All that jazz. So, if you don't want anyone to be able to look through your windows and see what you have inside your truck, go for it. They're not going to do it. It doesn't matter if they're, you know, a lot of tents you can look from like this forward into the windshield and you can still see in just because it's letting light through. Not with this. I mean, it's so dark that it doesn't matter. Even with not having a windshield tint, you can't see in. So your stuff's pretty safe to the naked eye. Would I recommend it for any other reason other than that? Not really. Other than it making a good title and thumbnail, I wouldn't run it, period. So I've said it in many videos and I still stand by this. Anything darker than 5%, you're only hurting your own ability to see out. It's genuinely not enjoyable. I will say that. If this was my daily truck, I 100% would have already taken this tent off a long time ago. I've still got to fix the tent over there, which I don't even know if I'll put that on or if I'll take these front two off and put a lighter shade on there because it genuinely is way too dark. I mean, it's just not, it's not enjoyable in any scenario other than knowing, hey, there's a guy out here or someone's driving by right here and I can make a face at them, I can do anything I want to, and I know for a fact that they cannot see me. Other than that, not worth doing because it really is, it's genuinely just about a burden to drive with. So that is my final thoughts on the 2% window tint. I don't think any tent shops really do 2%. I know they have 5 and you can request double 5, but you're going to be paying for, it's just going to be insanely expensive. If you want to try 2%, go online, search up some pre-cut tent, slap it on there. You probably won't do it great, just like I didn't do it great on here, but it was a cool experience, and I might take it off, I might leave it on. Like I said, I don't drive this truck that much due to me having another truck that is my daily. It's kind of funny because I have like the complete opposite spectrum on my trucks now. So on Baby Squat, I'm still rocking the 35%, which is, it is tinted, barely. It takes off a little bit of the sun. That's about it. You can still see me in there, and I guess it's about 50%. No, it's probably like 75% of the time you can see me in there, and the other time it's got a nice reflection where you can't. But 35% there, and then 2% here on Larry. I definitely enjoy driving with the 35% better, but I definitely enjoy knowing that no one can see me in here. about all accurate. I understand completely, so feel free to continue to tell me the same thing that 20 million other people in the comments said. But just know, yes, I know, and I agree. Alright guys, well that's about going to do it for this video. Hopefully you did enjoy. Definitely comment down below. Let me know what your thoughts and opinions are. Let me know if you have 2% window tint, or if you're rocking the Instagram baller special of the 3 layers of 5%. Or if you're like my other truck and you got busted by the cops for having too dark a tint, so you're rocking legal tint now and